Please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Shubham.
Good afternoon, sir.
प्लीज हैव ए सीट.
शुभम एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए आपका.
Sir, my name is Shubham Bansal. I am a programmer and analyst trainee at Cognizant. I have done BTech in Electronics Engineering from Kamala Nehru Institute of Technology, and I am from Lucknow. My hobby is playing guitar.
Guitar.
Yeah.
What is your father?
My,
Shubham?
my father is a businessman. Like he has a shop.
What business is running?
Shop. He is a shopkeeper.
He is having a shop. You are already working with the Cognizant, a very prestigious organization,
Yes, sir.
and that is also your core area.
Yes, sir.
Why you are leaving Cognizant and joining the bank?
Sir,
What are the special?
basically, why I want to join bank is that, sir, what I feel is that bank will provide a lucrative pay and perks and have a stable career. And like what I feel is that currently the service sector, the salary is not that much good because currently there was work from home. But after like COVID, it's starting from work from office and like getting 28K will not be able to survive in that city, and bank will provide that, and it will have a stable and good career. So I want to join that. bank.
You don't have stability and good career growth in the Cognizant?
Basically, I'm not saying that it's not that good career growth, but we have seen that recent layoffs have seen that private sector has not that much good stability.
तो आपका अभी पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स का
Yes, sir.
कुछ परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में some reports RBI का है.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea where in which direction they are going, whether their performance level has improved or not? कुछ idea
Yes,
बता
sir.
सकते हो?
So basically, there was a
Positives.
report from Trends and Progress of Banking report from RBI in which it was given that the public sector banks are doing very good in credit growth, and its deposit growth is also good.
कैन यू मेंशन मतलब परसेंटेज वाइज
Like I don't.
व्हाट इज क्रेडिट
Because
ग्रोथ
approximately- because
अप्रोक्सीमेट
It was given that the career capital growth was 62% approx, and 58% was deposit growth in that report.
growth or share, there are two different things.
I
Growth
think-
in percentage term,
आई
58%
थिंक
growth नहीं है.
या
That is market share.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
That is not. Credit growth कितना है? कुछ approximate. कितना percentage?
62%.
62% कैसे हो सकता है? Credit growth डबल
Sir,
16% or something like. देख लेना.
Oh,
ठीक है.
yeah, yes,
चलिए
sir.
और
And
चलिए ठीक है.
the banks are doing very good at NPA level is also low.
NPA किसको बोलते हैं?
It's non-performing asset. Basically, the banks for which the banks have given loan for which they have not received the principal and interest amount for more than 90 days. Those are called.
Principal-
नहीं यू मीन टू से कि एंटायर अमाउंट
पूरा
प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट और इंटरेस्ट
principal and interest नहीं आया तो.
Basically, the installments. They are not getting the installment for more than 90
Suppose
days.
part installment आ गया, interest portion छूट गया. Principal जमा कर दिया, interest का भी कुछ थोड़ा सा
No, then it will not be called NPA. But
will not be called NPA.
when the installment,
definition is any amount due whether it is installment or interest or part thereof if remains overdue for a continuous period of 90 days and above it will be classified as NPA. Whether 1 rupee or more hardly matters.
That doesn't matter.
Entire amount should be received.
Deposited.
Okay.
okay.
अच्छा, do the same criteria apply to the agriculture sector also?
No, sir. Agriculture criteria is for the short duration crops, it is like 2 crop seasons, and for the long duration crop, it is 1 crop season.
Okay. Good.
Can you give me 2 strong reasons why there is a slippage to NPA? We give a loan,
Yeah, sir.
ठीक है? Why it slips to NPA category? What are the reasons the NPA portfolio was growing at a very fast pace? क्या बढ़ क्यों रहा था? क्या कारण हो सकता है?
Sir,
2 कारण दे दीजिए. Any 2 valid reasons.
I think it will be like inflation. Because of the inflation, the prices are high, so like consumers cannot pay the amount.
नहीं कंज्यूमर तो पिक्चर में कहीं आता ही नहीं
I have given a loan to you.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तुम मेरे से मैं सब देख के तुमको लोन दे दिया. यू आर ऑल्सो ए वेरी गुड प्रमोटर, तुम काम भी कर रहे हो,
Yes, sir.
लेकिन तुम्हारा कुछ कारण की वजह से तुम पैसा नहीं दे सका एंड इट बिकम्स एनपीए। तो वो कारण क्या हो सकता है, क्या क्या हो सकता है तुम्हारे हिसाब से, क्या तुम देखते हो? एक डिफॉल्ट करता है एक आदमी, क्या कारण होने से वो डिफॉल्ट करता है जो 90 डेज से ऊपर हो जाता है? एनी रीजन यू सी? कुछ नहीं बोल सकते हो? अप्लाई योर कॉमन सेंस, क्या हो सकता है? चलो, कोरोना के टाइम में यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड
Yes, sir.
दी बैंक जिसको होटल इंडस्ट्री फाइनेंस किया था और जिसको एविएशन इंडस्ट्री भी ये किया और एक रेस्टोरेंट के लिए दिया है,
Yes, sir.
इस टाइप लोन खराब हो गया,
Yes, sir.
क्या कारण था?
So basically, the industry is not doing good, and so that the
क्यों क्यों इंडस्ट्री क्यों खराब हो
भाई इंडस्ट्री तो एक्सटर्नल रीजन से खराब हुआ ना.
कोरोना के टाइम
yeah, sir, basically the demand was not there.
Demand was there, but due to restrictions, nobody
बोलते
was
तुमको-
in a position to reach to them.
Okay, sir.
लॉकडाउन हुआ तो पीपल कुड नॉट विजिट द रेस्टोरेंट्स और ये, तो नेचुरली दैट सेक्टर वेंट बैड।
Yes,
दैट इज नॉट द फॉल्ट ऑफ द ये बरोअर और प्रमोटर,
yes.
ठीक है? तो क्या है ये जो एक्सटर्नल रीजन्स को क्या बोला जाता है? कभी कभी रिसेशन हो जाता है, इन्फ्लेशन हो जाता है, डिमांड कम हो जाता है, कोई चीज़ तुम बेच रहे हो मार्केट में उसका डिमांड नहीं है, इस टाइप सिनारियो को क्या बोला जाता है? इट इज़ ए काइंड ऑफ रिस्क, इट इज़ मार्केट रिस्क, एक्सटर्नल सिचुएशन। और क्या, कुछ नहीं समझ सकते हो? विलफुल डिफॉल्ट भी हो सकता है कोई आदमी,
Yes, sir.
जो विजय माल्या,
Yes, sir.
इज ए विलफुल डिफॉल्टर और नॉट?
Yes, sir. It will be like if he is not,
He is capable of paying what,
but
what
he is not paying, so it will be a cost
चलिए
for.
ठीक है सर, पूछिए।
Give me full form of SARFAESI Act and what powers it has given to banks.
So the full form of SARFAESI Act is Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Securities Interest Act, and basically it gives the powers to banks to like mortgage the securities which the borrower has provided. It gives the power to the banks to do that,
To mortgage the securities.
like to like mortgage the security and get back the amount, they recover the amount.
ऑलरेडी हुआ होगा
Mortgage
बैंक के
तो-
साथ चार्ज ऑलरेडी हुआ होगा कोई
Mortgage is a system of
Charging.
over the मतलब
चार्ज क्रिएशन।
charge creation on the securities.
Basically to sell the securities and to get back the loans.
इसको आप ऐसे बताइए कि बैंकों को बिना कोर्ट के इंटरवेंशन के फिजिकल पोजेशन अपनी चार्ज एसेट्स पे लेके उनको ऑक्शन करके अपने लोन की रिकवरी करने की पावर दी गई है आफ्टर फॉलोइंग ड्यू प्रोसेस। इसमें नोटिस वगैरह है ना। अच्छा, आपकी पर्सनालिटी की कोई स्ट्रेंथ बताइए, व्हाई यू शुड बी सिलेक्टेड एज पीओ।
Sir, my personality and strength is like I am determined person. Like what I am determined towards my goal, I will.
डोंट एक्सप्लेन, गिव मी सम मोर स्ट्रेंथ्स।
Like determination, hardworking, and focus towards my goal. Yes.
व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज?
Playing guitar.
गिटार, ओके। हु इज योर रोल मॉडल?
Sir, basically I have started learning guitar from YouTube. So basically, Aman.
You do not look to any renowned guitarist जिसको तुम लाइक करते हो?
I like famous bands like Local Train and
इंडियन गिटारिस्ट का कुछ नाम बता सकते हो? Some people who have really renowned in that field.
sorry sir.
कोई भी नहीं जानते? चलो, you learn it from YouTube.
Yes sir.
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, your interview is over. जैन साहब दे दीजिए।
या शुभम, you have pleasing personality and good style of communication, clarity भी है, but you are very fast. Don't make it fast when replying. Be cool, try to understand what is asked and reply within the purview of that question only. Okay. I suggest you some topics to brush up your knowledge. It will give you a better insight on banking subjects. Okay. Cover RBI roles and function, then credit and monetary policy, latest rates, CRR, SLR, ये आपका रेपो रेट, रिवर्स रेपो, बैंक रेट, or where these rates are used, what is the purpose to use that rates, ultimate goal, current inflation rate, etc. You go through that. Priority sector lending,
Yes, sir.
what type of sectors are covered and up to what amount. What is the targets given to banks for priority sector? What targets are given to RRBs and local small finance banks?
Yes, sir.
Banks, NBFCs, payment banks, small finance banks, RRBs, cooperative banks, how it differs with each other. Then mudra loans, categories and amount, maximum amount can be financed under that. MSME, way of classification, what are the yardsticks. Then NPA, particularly we have asked you, you are clear on that. Recovery mechanism like DRT, SARFAESI, Lok Adalat, insolvency and bankruptcy code, leadership qualities पढ़ लीजिए, and you will find out that so many qualities are there in you but you could not mention because you have not read from in that context.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it may be asked why you should be selected, so mention the qualities. Never say कि I am a good leader.
Yes, sir.
Current affairs,
Okay.
particularly in banking sector and economic sector. Government schemes and initiatives taken by the government in banking, economy and employment generation. All government schemes you must go through. Budget, today it is being declared,
Yes, sir.
so main provision of budgets. Then practice it on daily basis as if you are taking your own interview.
Okay, sir.
That's it.